لكي تحفظ الكلمات وتستفيد منها. سأقدم لك مع كل كلمة مثالا فصيحا يناسب المتعلم، وآخر من العامية اليومية، وبهذين المثالين ستتأكد أن المعنى ثبت في ذهنك.
Struggle. Man, I'm struggling with rent this month. He struggled to meet the tight deadlines. Admit. Okay, I admit I messed up. He admitted his mistake during the review. Blame. Don't blame me for your screw-ups. The manager blamed external factors. Convince. She convinced me to join TikTok. We convinced the board with strong evidence. Purchase. Did you purchase that jacket online? You must keep receipts for all purchases. Remind. Remind me to call Mom later. Please remind your team about the deadline. Threaten. He threatened to cancel the whole thing. The union threatened legal action. Respond. Why didn't you respond to my DM? The company promptly responded to complaints. Ignore. She just ignored my message, dude. We shouldn't ignore early warning signs. Resist. I can't resist pizza, man. We must resist unnecessary expenses. Adopt. You gotta adapt fast in this city. Employees must adapt to new systems. Commit. Hard to commit to a gym schedule. They committed to delivering results. Expose. The scandal exposed everything. The audit exposed major weaknesses. Grant. They granted me access to the VIP area. The university granted him a scholarship. Engage. You gotta engage with your audience more. We encourage employees to engage actively. Oh. Bro, you still owe me $20. The company owes compensation to workers. Acquire. Man, how'd you acquire that rare card? The firm acquired new clients last quarter. Assign. They assigned me the worst task. You are assigned to lead the project. Attach. Don't forget to attach the files, bro. Please attach all necessary documents. Ban. They banned that app here. The government imposed a ban on imports. Bear. I can't bear this heat, man. We must bear the consequences of our decisions. Combine. Mix it up, combine both styles. We combined resources for efficiency. Compete. Man, you can't compete with her skills. We compete globally for market share. Conclude. Let's conclude this meeting. I'm starving. The report concluded with several recommendations. Confirm. Can you confirm if it's still happening? Please confirm your attendance. Crash. My laptop crashed again, dude. The system crashed due to overload. Declare. He just declared his love on IG. The company declared bankruptcy officially. Deliver. They delivered the pizza super late. He delivered an outstanding presentation. Deserve. You totally deserve that win. Employees deserve recognition for hard work. Emphasize. They always emphasize being on time. I would like to emphasize this point strongly. Expand. We need to expand our friend group. The company plans to expand internationally. Grab. Grab me a soda, bro. Please grab a seat before we start. Guarantee. No one can guarantee that, man. We guarantee customer satisfaction. Hire. They're hiring like crazy right now. We need to hire experienced staff. Indicate. The signs indicate trouble ahead. Data indicates a positive trend. Inspire. She really inspired me to hustle harder. Leaders must inspire their teams. Monitor. You better monitor your spending. We closely monitor market changes. Obtain. Where did you obtain that rare jersey? We must obtain proper authorization. Persuade. Good luck persuading him to quit. We must persuade the committee. Qualify. Did you qualify for the finals? She qualified based on her experience. React. How did he react to the news? We must react swiftly to challenges. Release. They just released a new album. The press release was issued today. Reveal. The trailer revealed some spoilers. The investigation revealed serious flaws. Suit. This shirt really suits you. This plan suits our objectives. Threaten. He threatened to leave if they don't pay up. They threatened legal action immediate. Appreciate. Appreciate. I really appreciate your help, thanks. We appreciate all the feedback from our users. Explore. Let's explore the city this weekend. They explored new strategies for growth. Celebrate. We should celebrate your success. The team celebrated after finishing the project. Focus. You need to focus on your studies. We must focus on improving customer experience. Challenge. I love to challenge myself every day. The competition challenged all participants to perform their best. Why?